Did you know that not cleaning your dryer vent can lead to serious problems? Here are 4 reasons why you should clean your dryer vent regularly. Firstly, cleaning your dryer vent means your clothes will dry faster, saving you time and money. Secondly, a clean dryer vent increases your dryer's lifespan, meaning fewer repairs and replacements. Thirdly, clogged dryer vents significantly increase the time it takes to dry clothes, causing your electricity bill to skyrocket. And lastly, a lack of dryer vent cleaning can quickly become dangerous, leading to potential dryer fires. Every year more than 20,000 houses catch on fire in the US. So please don't wait until it's too late. Call for Seasons to clean your dryer vent today and enjoy the benefits of a more efficient, longer-lasting, and safer dryer.